The Dimbaza Magistrate Court, that's in the Eastern Cape, will today hear the lawyers for the 5 men linked to the murder of Mboneli Vesele and Petrus Roets. The argument today is going to be on some evidence that will be presented in court. Vesele, the bodyguard of the University of Fort Hare vice-chancellor, was killed in January this year, and the university's transport manager, Roets, was killed in May last year. Earlier, the state submitted an affidavit by an investigating officer consisting of photographs of the hit list submitted by the mother of accused number 4, Mthobisi Khanyile. Court proceedings resume today. Let's get the latest now, and we speak to our reporter Siphosethu Booi. Siphosethu, good morning to you. Talk to us more about this evidence, and in particular the photographs that were supplied that relate to this so-called hit list.
Correction, the photographs were found by the police in the vehicle, which is the Jeep that was robbed by accused number 4 that sold, or rather bought from accused number 5. So now basically what the affidavit that the state has provided the courts was the affidavits that the mother of Mthobisi Khanyile, who's accused number 4, on the issue surrounding the fact that he's not going to make any difference whether he's jailed or he's outside, but the fact still remains the same, that he's not a financially supportive father to the children that he claims will need him should he be not granted bail. So today we will be hearing from the state and also arguing their case with regards to why these 5 men should not be granted bail today. And of course, their defense lawyers now need to tell the court why they should be eligible for bail today. So all of those arguments will be heard today at the Dimbaza Magistrate Court, like you correctly said. And of course, furthermore, we also know that the state also said yesterday that more arrests are imminent, and they will need at least 2 months to also arrest some of the people that are linked to this particular case of the Fort Hare murders that occurred. And also, lastly, they also made mention of the fact that the latest victim, Mr. Msingathi Langa, was also on the list, and he sadly passed away. So also highlighting the issue of these 5 men not being in a position to be granted bail simply because they might intimidate and also cause further harm to the rest of the witnesses, because they know who the next witnesses are going to be. So today we'll be hearing from the defense lawyers of the 5 accused as well as the state on whether or not these 5 men are eligible to be granted bail today here at the Dimbaza Magistrates Court.
Siphosethu Booi, thank you very much. Live for us in court there.